wish I would have.
In the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous, glamorous, glamour, 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 glamour.
So good and tasty.
We are finally at the house and unpacked and in bikinis. This is from Cotton On. The bottoms are from Target. Target has the best B&Q bottoms. Look, they're barbecuing over here. They look so cute. What the fuck is up, YouTube? Can you go inside and grab the cheese?
You forgot it?
Well, I didn't want it to melt. So I left it in.
Oh, Sav, grab the cheese.
My butt's hanging out.
Know what it's
John's calling me, I'm just casually ignoring him.
Oh, did you grab the cheese?
I'll grab it.
know what you want. No, you'll never be happy. Please go easy on me tonight. Dancing in the dark.
I have taken over the vlog.
Johnny, let me see your shell, love.
Do you want to use it?
No, John.
Savannah, do you? They're chilling and Lenny's freezing. The beach. The beach. Everyone's having so much fun. Just kidding. If only you were here, you'd be so bored.
It wasn't nothing like that first time. She was in my math class. Long hair, brown skin with the fat ass. Sat beside me, used to laugh, had mad jokes. The teacher always got mad, so we passed notes.
June! John, what are you doing? That's pretty melted right now. Me and John are looking for the keys.
So many wasps in here that I'm scared to enter. Go, Jean. Go. I'm gonna kick him in and close the door. It should be at the top of the thing, on top of the wood.
I got it.
Woo!
No wasps.
No wasp. No wasp. I don't know. Try both.
Where you guys went?
Does this one recline? It all recline except for the middle one.
Oh, except for that one.
This is John C.
That is me.
Cheers, love.
We got the paper towels.
It is.
My drink is outside. I keep losing my drink.
Honestly, this is scary. Just leave the key. My seat.
Yeah, I saved the seat for someone.
These two losers.
We want the reclining.
B needs a refill and John's got the supply. Do you want to fill you up?
June. No, not like last time.
Oh, can you get ice? Yeah. Should I use this bucket?
Yeah.
Use a bucket?
You think the cranberry and cherry is gonna taste good? I don't know.
I love tequila.
I love
Are we still recording? Oh, hey guys.
Ed loves tequila.
Need a water? Hi to the vlog.
Coming home this morning.
Say hi to the
You're coming
vlog.
home this morning?
Yeah.
Woo!
Definitely way better than yours. Like a 10. Like a 10. I think it's like a 10.
Bitch.
It's over.
Chug it.
It's over.
I honestly don't know now. Can I make you a
I thought that was my camera. Oh my god. Let me go.
Sorry.
red?
John.
Sorry. Maybe you'll get.
I don't know what color to choose, guys. The pressure gets it now. I have to choose 2 out of 4.
We're doing murder mysteries now. I'm reading the instructions.
John, your feet stink so bad.
Really?
No, I'm kidding. So this is it, or is this it?
Are you a Leo?
I'm a Virgo.
August or September?
September.
Okay, it's time.
Breakfast with Johnny.
Like the Nasdaq.
I kind of ruined it.
White girls
Eggs
like this
Benny.
coke up my ass crack.
Look at feathers. It's a spiritual sign from the seagulls.
I love pussy, I love bitches.
Yeah, I
Do
think
that
it's
shit,
that.
be running Peter in Adidas with some
No, Jada will go.
I'll go with you.
It's actually really nice. I wonder if my camera can hear anything I'm saying because it's super windy.
John just took selfies of me. I'm unsure if I like them or not though. They came out really good.
I know,
Some of them actually really did come out really cute. Is that your goat milk chapstick? Put them
Yes,
on.
it is. This is the best chapstick ever. It has goat milk in it. It's the best.
John's go-to. Where can you get it?
I don't know.
Well, where'd you get that one?
Somewhere in PA.
So you can see my mom bought it.
No cover, sex on ice. Ain't no locking keys, beep 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 up in my G.